Korango jang riwruoge mag oganda e kaunti ma Migori dwaro mondo mi piny owacho okete tim chike ma oseketi mar kedo kod lwenje mag kit chuech. Kwayo ni bire kinde mar riwruoge gi mag oganda bende idhi nyime kod keto kenge mar jiwo kedo kod lwenje mag kit chuech go e kaunti ya Migori. Polo Mole ma en achiel kuom jokanyo riwruoge ma oganda e kaunti ya Migori wacho ni piny Kenya nitiere kod chike mabeyo ma kedo kod lwenje mag kit chuech, kata kamano piny owacho osereme keto gi e tim.
So in terms of these structures, if something has spoken on it in terms when I was saying in a very structured engagement, if it is
there's the general issue of gender-based violence in the county, or sexual gender-based violence in the county. It is more prevalent against girls and women because of our patriarchal nature. We see our women beaten, we see our daughters not going to school, we see, sex, our daughters being defiled or our women being defiled. And those are things that are not, we should not see in the current society.
We also, through this action plan, the youth will have an opportunity, and the adolescent will have an opportunity also to participate in decision making and also to participate in their own programs, because there's nothing for us without us. There's nothing for these youth and adolescents without them. So the involvement of these people, the involvement of the youth and the adolescent will give them even an opportunity to express and ventilate their frustration which they are going through during this to acquire the reproductive health services in this county.